Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vegetarian French toast. This easy guide will help you create a delightful breakfast or brunch. First, gather your ingredients: a good quality bread, plant-based milk, a sweetener, and some spices. We'll focus on simple steps to ensure your French toast turns out perfectly golden and incredibly tasty every time. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic meal. Now, let's create the heart of our French toast: the batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or soy, with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of ground cinnamon for that warm, inviting aroma. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. This perfect consistency is key for a great result. With our batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and gently immerse it into the batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 seconds on each side. You want it fully coated but not soggy. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, adding 1 tablespoon of vegan butter or oil. Cook each French toast slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your delicious vegetarian French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. For a classic touch, serve it warm with a generous drizzle of maple syrup and a handful of fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. You can also dust it with powdered sugar for an elegant finish, or add a dollop of plant-based whipped cream. This versatile dish is perfect for a special breakfast or a leisurely brunch. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.